big update on the YouTube for the Integra build, which is going incredible, as you can see. So Dave has done an absolute incredible job. We have iodized bolts. We have you've sandblasted all these. Sandblasted all these brackets. Look at that. It's actually looking very good. All the wheel arches are done. All this front panel is absolutely immaculate. You've sandblasted the hinges for the bonnet.
Yeah.
Like there's a lot of hours gone into this now. No, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah,
Hi, Steve.
That goes like that. That goes like that after the thing. Save battery. But yeah, no, it's an update because I'm trying to do the YouTube and it's fecking really hard because I'm so used to TikTok and I'm so new to all this. But it's going great and you've put in some hours. So the plan is Dave has a bit more building to do on this. We'll probably get the sun frame powder coated, even though it's not rusty.
It's sort of in spots.
It's not too bad. Yeah. We might get them arms done. We're going to get braided lines for the front of it. Aaron is building the engine. We're going to hopefully get down to Aaron. He's ordering all the bits. There's some bits come from America. That's why it's taking a bit longer than normal. Once we have the engine, it'll be absolutely mint. We're on about getting the rock cover done and all by who's doing the rock cover?
Aoife Brady.
Hopefully all going well. Aoife Brady, she's meant to be the king dingling of painting these rocker covers, so it's going to look amazing. And then on top of that, then we're going to leave the car absolutely rubbish looking on the outside, have the engine and everything mint. Underneath the bonnet will be even painted.
Yeah.
Everything will be OEM plus looking underneath the bonnet, but then the car will do a full compound polish, wax. Then we have to go underneath the back. I as well do the underneath bottom then and get all that feckin' mint and do the rear sun frame. So the car's going to be really good. So yeah, this is just a big update for you, show you what's happening and keep you updated. So that's one of the big updates, I suppose. One of many big updates, but some amount of hours are going into this and yeah, should be good crack when it's going. And show us what you've done. Oh Jesus. Right, go on. Point.
All bare steel. Every
yes,
bit of it.
I'll put in a picture. Insert picture here, Kevin. Go. Nearly there now.
All resealed, paint put in underneath, and then on top primed everything. Mass them up so the fucking brake lines will stay in. All under here was all taken down to bare steel as well. All here. This will all be cavity waxed. All these little hole ins.
And we're doing all the sills and all cavity. Everything will be cavity waxed.
Any place there's a hole, even here. It's all resealed all the way up. All the fucking shitty bits.
It must have been hard enough not to get a reaction.
All brand new sealer there. All along here under this, there. All these are resealed as well. And here. All factory OEM plus, boom.
Ow!
Yeah, I had to tap everything out again for.
Oh, and you took out these because a few of these were snapped.
Yeah, because he snapped and taken them out. Plate has to go back on.
Oh, yes.
Chassis plate.
The chassis, yes.
Little finger hole here. Fill all that back up again.
And where the battery was bad, and now it's perfect.
All here. There was a big hole here. Big little hole.
Oh yeah.
Shitty bits like that.
A lot of hours basically went into it. It's going to look good anyway when you pop the bonnet. We don't know about exterior yet, we're figuring it out. We'll get her running first anyway, that's the main thing. But that's great. It's great to have this update.
I fixed this because Kev broke this.
I didn't, I slightly warped it.
Straighten out now.
And all the boltings now are
all the boltings from Flow
in Galway, yeah. They do for Toyota and Honda. I'm guessing they'll do for Mitsubishi.
Jack, really.
I might ask him for some from my Evo and start replacing them. If I buy a few boxes and as things break.
I remember that fuel filter you couldn't get out, Kev.
Yeah, you got it out.
Yeah, I got it out. And Aaron's getting a new one for me. I was on to Aaron about that one. He's getting that. There's a rubber missing off one of these holes. Hopefully Aaron can find one because that one bush that we
probably the same as some old Honda up the yard anyway.
Yeah, it was one that's not shagged.
Absolutely dushed.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Steve can get his little metal polish and start polishing these up there when we're doing everything else.
And as we were saying, we're on about now because even though when the engine's in, you'd never see the sunframe. And the sunframe, I don't think is that scabby at all looking. It looks fairly good, but it's just probably freshen it up, take it down, freshen it up.
Yeah. Just when the bonnet's up fully, you can see straight down the bonnet's like that.
Yeah. What's the strut brace in this? Is it aluminium?
Yeah.
It's all aluminium.
I think so.
Yeah, the bracket's steel. I think the brackets.
I think they were, because there was bits of rust around here.
It'll be an awful shame to put that on, so you might sandblast them.
Might, yeah, definitely.
Because you're good at the old sandblasting, as you can see. That looks like brand new. Looks like brand new brackets. All these, like, jeez, look.
Servo
done.
very rusty.
You couldn't
No longer
sandblast.
rusty.
You didn't sandblast that, did you?
No, that took a lot.
Finessing, but no, great job. It's coming together, lads. Anyway, and ladies. There's nothing really else. The bodywork is pretty much the same way since the last time I washed it. Nothing really has changed in that. So, yeah. More updates will happen as it progresses. If I was smarter, I would have probably recorded in advance and not put it out until it was nearly done. And
you wanted to do that?
You told me to do that, and I didn't do that, so that would have led to.
Wait, Kev didn't listen to someone else. Oh.
Yeah, see, it's hard juggle. It's hard juggle. But anyway, that is what I have for you today on this, the Integra bit.